Hi guys, welcome to Life with Me Day. On today's episode, I would like to show you how to make potato ash. I am using the Irish potatoes that I have peeled and diced into little cubes. We would also use chopped up onions, green bell peppers, and red peppers. With that said, we would also use some dried herbs, garlic powder, and season with salt and pepper. To my hot pan, I would add some oil, and some butter. That will add the potatoes. You want the potatoes to lay in a layer, a single layer. Just stir a little bit to get them all coated. And you want it to lay flat. And next we will cover it up and let it steam for 10 minutes. Our 10 minutes is up. Next, we'll add our chopped up veggies. We start with the onions, the bell peppers. We'll go in. We'll give this a stir. Give it a stir. See, the potatoes are beginning to crisp up. Give the stir. We'll season it lightly with salt. I'm using the pink Himalaya salt. Some black pepper. Sprinkle in some garlic powder. And my dried herbs go in. You can use whatever dried herbs you like, and you have thyme, rosemary, oregano, dried parsley will work. And give it a stir again. So we stir it up and lay it flat and let it cook for 5 minutes on one side, and then we'll toss it after 5 minutes to cook for another 5 minutes on the other side. Once it's 5 minutes, we'll give it a toss. Laying it flat as you go. We'll let the other side cook for another 5 minutes. We'll do this continuously, 5 minutes on one side, 5 minutes on the other side, until your potatoes and your veggies have this brown color and the potatoes are crispy. My potatoes are looking good. It's all done. You're good to go. So there you go. I've plated up my potato ash. I'm having it with fried eggs and pickled onions. They taste real good. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Life with Me Day, and don't forget to hit the like button.